Transform your AI-generated art from digital wonder to photographic perfection with these essential Midjourney realism techniques. First, we'll dive deep into prompt engineering. The key to realism lies in specificity. Instead of just asking for a dog, describe its breed, its fur texture, the way light hits its coat. Think about the environment. Why golden hour sunlight streaming through a forest canopy is far more evocative than simply a dog in a forest. Adding camera details like lens type, aperture, and film stock can also significantly guide Midjourney towards a photorealistic output. Next, mastering upscaling is crucial. Once you have a base image you love, use Midjourney's upscaling options strategically. Experiment with the different upscaler versions and consider using third-party AI upscaling tools for even finer detail and noise reduction. Pay attention to how the textures are refined during this process. Why a smooth transition from shadow to highlight is critical. Finally, let's talk post-processing. Even subtle adjustments can make a world of difference using photo editing software. Fine-tune exposure, contrast, and color balance to mimic natural lighting. Adding a touch of film grain or a slight vignette can further enhance the photographic feel. The goal is to subtly polish the image, bringing out its inherent detail and depth without making it look overly processed. By combining precise prompting, intelligent upscaling, and thoughtful post-processing, you can unlock a new level of realism in your Midjourney creations. Happy creating!